Hi guys, welcome back to Adventure Times UK. As you can see, we're at another Sea Life. We are at Sea Life Manchester,
the Trafford Centre.
We've heard some things. People say it's the worst, but I guess we'll determine that. Let's go.
Here we go at the start of Sea Life here in Manchester, in the Trafford Centre. We start with the photo point. Wow, this is impressive. Very impressive.
We are ancient creatures. Birthplace, using the Earth's magnetic field. It's almost like an indoor sat. They'll be here for the next 2 months. If I activate my hidden camera, you'll be able to see what's happening beneath the sand. Well done guys, they heard us and they're heading towards the ocean. Woo! Now, while in the ocean, they still face
That's not a good look. Yeah, here we go, the first exhibits. That's a big old ball sphere. I mean, this is really good, but just like to point, like you can look and then you look up and we'll just keep at this level though. That looks good from this level. This green changed the colour of. Press the blue one. Oh, there we go. It sort of changes. Blue. Very cover disco.
I must admit they look better in orange.
Yeah, I don't know, red. Oh, stop it. Stop it. They've got very long tentacles, that's for sure. So we've got some good photo points here. We've got a lobster. Where's the lobster?
I mean, he's magnetised on the glass, but...
Oh yeah, there he is. Well, that comes better out on the camera actually.
Hello. He's huge.
That is huge.
But
Oh,
it's one of the domes. So.
Think how many meals you could get out of that.
Leave him alone. Fish are friends, not food.
Oh, okay.
Unless you're very hungry, then they're food.
No, no food. Venom versus poison. Ooh. Danger. Danger, Haley, danger. Venom versus poison. Oh, there's little facts that's telling you what's venom and what's poison. I don't know if it's the glass, because again it's a sphere one, but that pufferfish looks ridiculously big. Over the back, I'm talking. Is it really that big? I didn't think pufferfish gets...
That's that big though. I didn't see that coming. He's huge! Scared the shit out of me. Look at him, he's massive.
He is.
Genuinely is that big. Can't see him coming.
Well, you didn't say, oh, he's going to give you a kiss. Compared to that pufferfish anyway, he's huge. Wouldn't be a sea life without clownfish. Nemo! Lots of works coming with the new exhibits. One at the start, one here. We got Christmas lights. Coming up to the best bit. The pièce de résistance of a sea life. It's the shark tank. Or what should be the shark tank. There's the ocean tank, sorry. Well, apparently there should be a turtle. There should be two turtles.
Oh, unless this isn't the actual.
How?
Oh, is this one?
Where? Oh, there he is.
Very murky water.
There's a bit of mo in the dirty. Oh. The turtle's coming. We've also got VR. A VR ride as well, which is quite cool. We didn't think much to the one in Birmingham, but I think this one you have to pay extra for. Is that a piranha? That's a piranha.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at him. Give us a smile, mate. Give us a smile. They just look mean and angry, don't they? I'm waiting for you to put a finger in there just to bite it off. Plenty of turtles in here on sunbathing. There's plenty of others around that side. There's one down here. Here we go, here's another view, but we can actually see some sharks and stingrays on this side. Definitely could do with clearing out their tank.
Oh wow. Yeah, it's definitely a bit murky here.
But how's this side got more fish? That's huge.
Stunning.
Oh, we've got loads of sharks. So Hayley, you are the shark expert. What sharks can we see?
I'm not a shark expert. But the
But
only one that I've seen is a black tip.
a black tip. We've got some small great whites.
No, there's no great whites. They're all black tips.
Are they all black tips?
Yeah.
What's this one? That's a tiger one, isn't it? Is that a tiger shark?
Tiger ones are...
And then we have a very magnifying glass. Where you'll find some bamboo sharks. And oh, he must be down there. Why is it magnified?
I don't know, they all seem to be magnified in here. And all the fish seem to be like, it's like they've given them all speed or something.
Yeah, they're all a bit... It's very strange. Pretty historic lights. I don't know why they're prehistoric.
Well, we've not seen the rock pool or the crabs there. The snake neck.
A big turtle with that, yeah. They got really long neck. Huh? Oh, so they do exist?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're just really hard to actually keep in captivity. They need like very specific stuff.
I never. So Hayley has a. What would you call it? I want to say a toy.
I have a 3D printed toy. It's sort of along the same size. Actually, I've got it on me. I've got one on me.
There we go. There's Hayley's axolotl. How funny. How
I
strange.
do have a bigger one, but a lot of people think they're myths. Because they're more like dragons than...
Yeah, I must admit, I honestly thought that was just a made-up thing. So there you go. Next time someone says axolotl, that's what they actually look like. They're white as a ghost and...
Well, they come in other colours as well, but
Oh, okay.
they're cute.
So once you finish your talk, you exit out to the gift shop, where you can buy all your plushies that you could ever want. Plushies you could think of.
Oh, they've got a manta ray.
No,
Is it a manta ray? Is that
don't
what
know.
they're saying it is?
£20.
Yeah, I'm not paying that today.
There we go. That is Sea Life here in Manchester. What do you think, Hayley?
It wasn't the worst, but it also wasn't the best.
No.
I think what let it down is the fact that, like, on the ceilings where they're so low, you can clearly see the theming just stop, and then you put all the
wires and stuff
Yeah.
light, and that wasn't great. Also, the spider crab that should be at the end. It wasn't in the tank, or it
Yeah,
didn't
but
appear
it
to
might
be.
hiding, or it might just be, yeah.
That wasn't great. And they're doing quite a bit of construction with new tanks as well.
Yeah, they are.
It's a positive.
There's at least three
Yeah.
new exhibitions coming. I did like the little bit at the beginning where they talked about turtles. It did seem that they were emphasising at the minute on like the green turtle sort of lifestyle.
Yeah, the
like
projection mapping was actually really
eggs
cool.
and stuff.
It was really cool. Very unique to this SEALIFE as well. I don't think any
It's really
SEALIFes.
cool. I really enjoyed that.
I did. Not too bad.
It's a SEALIFE. I love a SEALIFE. I
It
just
was-
don't think it's one of the best, but it's also not the worst. I think there
It
are
was
worse
okay.
out there.
It was okay. But yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.